College, Ballari. This college is affiliated to Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari. Now I am going to discuss the auditing subject for the sixth step. The remaining portion of the auditing subject is new areas of auditing. So under that new areas of auditing, various new areas are recognized. Among the new areas, one is cost audit, operational audit, management audit, social audit, environmental audit, tax audit, etc. So now I am going to discuss about the cost audit. So in the competitive era, every manufacturers wants to sell his product at a maximum level by earning a maximum profit. So, but he can do so only if he can keep a competitive price for his product or services without sacrificing the quality of the product. Therefore, every manufacturers makes every effort to minimize the cost per unit of production without the time sacrificing the quality. For this purpose, he has to maintain a proper planning and adopt a cost control measures through cost accounting. But it is an established fact that any system of accounting is to closely followed by a suitable system of auditing to determine the true and fair of the state of affairs of the organization, as well as to judge its reliability to enable the businessman to take a proper decision. When accounting is done by the cost accountant, their work requires to be audited by the cost auditor. Thus, cost auditor are appointed to check or audit the accounts maintained by the cost accountants and ascertain the unit of cost of production. Let us see the definitions given by different experts with respect to the cost audit. The term cost audit has been defined by the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of England as the verification of cost accounts and check on the adherence to the cost accounting plan. This is the definitions given by the ICMA of England. And in our India, the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India has defined cost audit as follows. Cost audit is an audit of efficiency of a minute details of expenditure while the work is in progress and not a post-mortem examinations. Unlike the financial audit, which is a fact accomplished, cost audit is mainly a preventive measures, a guide for management policy and decision in addition to being a parameter of performance. And the one more expert expressed his opinion with respect of the term cost audit by the Smith and Dale. According to their view, cost audit is, by the term cost audit is meant the detailed checking of the costing system, technique and accounts to verify their correctness and to ensure adherence to the objectives of cost accounting. So these are all the definitions given by many experts, and now let us come to know the meaning of the term cost audit. Cost audit is concerned with the verification of cost records and examination of cost accounting principles and procedures. This is what the meaning with respect of the term cost audit. So now let's go for this aims and objectives. The primary aim of cost audit is to bring out the weakness, if any, in the cost accounting system and disclose the inefficiencies in all aspects of operations and performance. This is the main aim of conducting the cost audit. The objectives of cost auditing is, the very first one is to verify the correctness and accuracy of the cost accounting records. This is the first objectives. And the second one is to ensure that the cost accounts have been maintained properly according to the cost accounting principles, and to verify whether each of expenditure involved in the cost of goods or service has been properly incurred or not. To reduce the volume of work of the external auditor by maintaining an efficient internal audit system, and to detect errors and frauds which might have been committed intentionally or unintentionally, and to serve as an effective tool of cost control. Another one is to safeguard the interest of the shareholders of the company, and to assist in fixing the responsibility of every individual in the factory or management where inefficiency or wastage is found. So these are some of the objectives or earmark of the cost audit. Now let us see the features of a cost audit. Cost audit is the audit of cost accounts and cost records. Cost audit is a supplementary form of audit. Cost audit is quite different from financial audit, as it involves a specific and specialized activity. Cost audit check the cost records which are maintained by the company. Cost audit is compulsory in case of certain specified companies engaged in production, manufacture, processing or mining activities. These are all certain features of cost audit. Now let's go for qualification of a cost auditor. As per section 233B subsection 1 of the Companies Act of 1956, the following persons are declared qualified to conduct the cost audit. Number 1, a cost accountant with the meaning of the Cost and Works Accountant of India Act 1959, holding a certificate of practice issued by the Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India, that is ICWAI. The second point is a firm of cost accountants. If all the partners of the firm are practicing cost accountants and the firm itself has been constituted with the previous approval of the central government, the audit report in this case shall be signed by any one of the partners of the firm for and on behalf of the firm. The third point is, if the central government is of the opinion that sufficient number of cost accountants are not available for conducting the cost audit for any company, it may allow for the specified period that a chartered accountant within the meaning of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949, holding a certificate of a practice issued ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, may also conduct the cost audit provided that he has been in practice for a period of 10 years as a fellow member. These are all the qualifications are required to perform or to undertake the cost audit. And the disqualification of a cost auditor are the following persons are declared disqualified to be appointed or to be reappointed to conduct the cost audit of a company. Number 1 is a person who has been appointed as a financial auditor to audit the financial statements of the company under section 224 of the Companies Act, such a man or such a person is not qualified for conducting the cost audit. And a body corporate, an officer or employee of the company, a person who is a partner or who is in the employment of an audit officer or employee of the company, a person who is indebted to the company or guaranteed for any debt exceeding rupees 1,000, a person who is disqualified for the reasons mentioned above for appointment as an auditor of a subsidiary or a holding company or such company. An internal auditor of a company, as per the notification issued by the Department of Company Affairs, cost auditor